What if your Canada Day celebration could be more than just fireworks and flags? What if it became a full-on tribute to everything you love about this country? Have you ever imagined transforming your home, backyard, or party space into a sea of red and white that brings people together in the most festive way possible? Whether you're planning a big barbecue, a cozy family gathering, or a patriotic front porch display, this video is packed with Canada Day decor ideas that are fun, festive, and full of Canadian pride.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why decorate for Canada Day and what makes it special? Canada Day is more than a national holiday. It's a moment to celebrate heritage, unity, and everything uniquely Canadian. Decorating helps set the festive mood and invites your friends and neighbors to join in the celebration. It's a chance to reflect your pride visually. With red and white everywhere from flags to food, it turns any space, big or small, into a place of togetherness, fun, and memory-making. If you're excited to celebrate in style this year, like and share this video with your party crew. What colors and symbols should be the focus of Canada Day decor? The core of your decor should be unmistakably patriotic. Nothing says Canada Day like red and white. The maple leaf is iconic, and it can be used in banners, pillows, plates, and centerpieces. Other Canadian symbols like moose, beavers, hockey gear, or national flags help personalize your theme. You can also incorporate regional elements, like tartan patterns, provincial flags, or Indigenous designs. What's your favorite Canadian symbol? Let us know in the comments, and we might use it in our next video. How can you decorate your outdoor space for Canada Day? Outdoor decor is essential if you're hosting a backyard party, picnic, or just want to show your spirit to passers-by. Hang large Canadian flags or themed bunting from fences, porches, or garden arches. Use red and white balloons, banners, and streamers to decorate entryways, patios, and party tents. Line walkways with mini flags, red lanterns, or mason jars filled with LED lights for an evening glow. Need more outdoor setup ideas? Check the playlist in the description for full tutorials. What are some table setting ideas that scream Canada Day? Your table is where people gather, so make it the centerpiece of your party decor. Start with a red and white checked tablecloth or maple leaf runner as your foundation. Use themed plates, cups, and napkins. Add flag toothpicks to finger foods or cupcakes for an easy win. Create centerpieces with fresh flowers in red and white, or vases filled with maple leaves, mini flags, and candles. Subscribe for more party styling tips that turn every table into a celebration station. What are some DIY decor ideas for Canada Day on a budget? DIY decor makes your celebration unique while keeping it affordable and creative. Paint mason jars with red and white stripes or maple leaf stencils to use as vases or lanterns. Make a Happy Canada Day banner using paper cutouts, twine, and glitter accents. Create a photo booth backdrop using streamers, balloons, and printable Canadian props. All the DIY items from this video are linked in the description to help you get started. How do you decorate with food for Canada Day? Your menu can double as your decor. When it looks this festive, it deserves to be on display. Serve foods in the shape of a maple leaf, like cookies or sandwiches using shaped cutters. Use red and white ingredients: strawberries and whipped cream, cherry tomatoes and mozzarella, red velvet cupcakes. Arrange snacks in a Canadian flag pattern on a large serving board for a patriotic centerpiece. Looking for more food ideas? Check the related videos in the description below. So if you've been wondering how to make your Canada Day celebration truly stand out this year, now you've got everything you need. From backyard barbecues to living room parties, from red and white table settings to meaningful DIYs, your decor can reflect your pride, your community, and your love for this country. This July 1st, don't just wave the flag, decorate with heart.